Let's see how to set default line spacing in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. So to set your line spacing, simply highlight your text, go over to the Home tab, and click this icon right here, and that will open up a drop-down menu with the possible line spacing options. However, to set something as default, let's go over to the line spacing options right here, and let's select our preferred line spacing, for example, double, and let's set that as default. So you'll be given the choice to either set it as default for this document only or for all other documents. So let's go ahead and click this document only. Okay. And as you can see, it is now back to our default line spacing, which is 1.5. There you go. That is how you set default line spacing in Microsoft Word. See you soon.